Hey guys, I just got my fixed iPad from Reapirzoom, which is located in California. I sent my iPad out about like 2 weeks ago. I didn't pay for the express shipping, that's why it took so long. It took UPS 4 days to get to California from Boston. They fixed it the same day and they shipped it out the same day, which was awesome. Anyway, I dropped my iPad from this exact table, and the LCD and the glass broke, so I sent it in for only $199. And let's see what is it. Alright guys, I finally opened it. And you can see they wrapped it all in bubble wrap, so that was really nice. When I sent it in, it was a black iPad too, but I requested for a white one, and they did it perfectly. You can see it right there. There was a big scratch over here, but they removed it for me, which is awesome. Anyway, you can see it right there. And it's working perfectly. As you can see, the iPad 2 is perfect.